on to the next award, which is for the UAA ICT Distinguished Alumnus Award in the Entrepreneur category 2020. And the award goes to Mr. Anil Mehta. I now invite Professor Padma Devarajan, Dean Research and Innovation at ICT, and ex-president and member of the Board of Governors of the Alumni Association, to read out the citation for Mr. Mehta, followed by conferment of the award by Mr. Dilip G. Udas, the president of the UDCT Alumni Association.
Thank you.
Thank you, Maro. It gives me great pleasure to read out the citation for Mr. Anil Mehta. Mr. Anil Mehta, a professional par excellence, due to his high degree of integrity, commitment, and professionalism, has been responsible for the great esteem in which his alma mater, Institute of Chemical Technology, is held. He obtained a bachelor in chemical engineering from UDCT, now ICT, in 1984 with the distinction. Immediately after graduation, he joined Gharda Chemicals and quickly rose through the ranks and was involved in the basic concept design and engineering, all the way to commercialization of its multiple manufacturing plants. All processes and plants were unique, innovative, and designed and developed in-house. In 2000, Anil took the entrepreneurial leap as a managing director and CEO of Sarla Technologies, a startup with 5 employees and incubated by one of the leading business houses. Under his leadership, in 19 years, Sarla has grown into a world-class professional organization with sustainable business of more than 100 crores. Sarla grew aggressively and consistently by doubling business every 4 years and has established its footprint in global markets by executing 100 plus projects in 40 plus countries. With a team of over 425 employees in 10 offices across 6 countries, today it is a well-known and respected company in its selected niche field. Sarla Technologies provides solutions and services for control and automation systems, manufacturing integration, MES, MOM software, IT, OT integration, among others. The company serves global OEMs and manufacturing companies in various industries such as food and beverages, consumer goods, pharmaceuticals, infrastructure and utilities, automotive, logistics, material handling, energy and power, oil and gas, chemicals, metals as solution provider. Under his leadership, Sarla Technologies has won various awards, including the Frost & Sullivan Customer Service Leadership Award 2014, the SAP ACE Award 2014 and 2015, and many others. ICT has benefited from the image of Mr. Anil Mehta and holds him in high esteem for his accomplishments. In token thereof, and in recognition of his contribution towards enhancing the prestige of ICT, it is duly resolved to bestow upon him the UAA ICT Distinguished Alumnus Award Entrepreneur on this day, the 24th of October, 2020.
Thank you. It's a great pleasure to be doing this, particularly because when Mr. Mehta passed out from ICT in 1984, he joined Gharda Chemicals where I was working, and we had opportunity to work together in a number of projects, commissioning plants. Even as a youngster, I still remember that Mehta was APM, as we used to call him. Anil P. Mehta was very impressive in all his doings, and it's no surprise thereof that afterwards he decided to start his own company and do this. So it gives me great pleasure to present this UAA ICT Distinguished Alumnus Award Entrepreneur to Anil P. Mehta. Congratulations, Mr. Mehta. May I now request you, Anil, to say what you feel on this occasion? Respond. Thank you.
Yes, I'm indeed really overwhelmed and very excited to receive this very coveted award. I can say one thing: there cannot be any better recognition of my achievements than this award. I thank UAN UDCT for this special honor and this incredible award. See, I did engineering in during 80 to 84, and I've been very fortunate to have the teachers like I can see Professor Sharma, J.B. Joshi is very eminent teachers who taught us the real of what are the fundamentals, and those got imbibed in us completely, and we could enter the industries with a lot of confidence. And that's the confidence, I entered into, I started working in Garda Chemicals and, rose very quickly in my capabilities and achievements. So when I joined Garda, during my tenure, Garda Chemicals grew by almost 100 times. And I was proud to be associated with a lot of projects, a lot of new technology. I bought in a lot of new age equipment system technology in Garda in 80s and 90s, and fortunate to have many of my role models and gurus, from my learning, they're all from Garda. Udas, definitely you are one of them. Of course, Dr. Garda, and then Bhanushali, Azad, so many people, Marnosh. I learned a lot of things, and every one of these personality, what I name, are very diverse way of working, very diverse style. And I could really pick and choose, best of the capabilities, qualities, and it helped me to, shape and mold me and mold me completely. Then I decided to quit and then start a new venture. I thank you for the Fiddler's Parekh family who believed me and provided incubation to my business by providing necessary setup and also strengthening my commercial acumen. I thank, or in fact dedicate this award to some of the founder members of my entrepreneur who joined by leaving the multinational companies, and they joined the startup. Many more people joined on the way, and they contributed tremendously in the growth of this company, and also adopted a lot of values like can-do attitude and focus approach, and that helps to succeed the business. I really dedicate my award to all my colleagues and associates who joined me from Sarla and who helped to grow the business very aggressively. Last but not the least, definitely I'd like to thank my family who supported me, encouraged me all the time, taking the risk. Taking the risk of leaving the Wells at Garda. Probably it was very near where I was living. So I left that job and took up a completely new assignment and kind of entered into a new field. And then again, it involved a lot of travel, a lot of extended hour working. And so I definitely thank them for supporting me and encouraging me. There are many more people, many more of my colleagues from my Garda, or many colleagues from my existing company. They helped me to grow this business and do the better and better. It's not possible to mention everyone, but again, thank you very much. This is really the great thing, Yeah. Really happy. I think no more words to have.
Thank you, Anil. I think it was outstanding. Yours was the first batch which I taught numerical batches.
Yes.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Yes. Bye-bye. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mehta, and congratulations once more.
Yes, thank you.